What's up, y'all? It's Rocky Raquel, and I'm back with a new video. I know it's been a long time, but y'all, I'm back, and I'm here to show you guys how I got these perfect crimps. So if you want to continue to watch, go ahead and watch, and make sure you subscribe to that button, like, and comment if you need any questions. So right now, I'm just gonna hot comb my roots. I just like to do that first before I start crimping, just to get it out the way and let it already be flat and smooth as I need it to be. So I'm just taking this small teeth hot comb and just straightening my roots. And if y'all don't know, this is my transparent lace in 22-inch by West by Raquel collection. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, my description of my Instagram will be in the box below. So make sure you check it out and follow. So next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take some holding spray, any type of holding spray that you have. I prefer a lightweight aerosol if you have one, but basically you want to comb all the hair out. Once you put that holding spray on there, you want to comb it out so there's no flyaways, so that your crimps can be as smooth as possible. You don't want jumbo up crimps. Why did I say crimps? Crimps. You don't want jumbo up Bye. Okay, y'all, so clearly I had to get my life together. But like I was saying, you don't want your crimps to be jumbled and all over the place. So you just want to take them, make sure that you preheat them before you get started. And you just want to hold for maybe 20 to 30 seconds, no longer than that. You don't want to burn the hair, okay? And after you get done counting, you just want to go ahead and move to the next section. And it basically does the work for you. Like, you don't have to worry about, messing up the pattern. You just go based off the crimp size and the smaller crimps you have or larger crimps you have. Just go based off the pattern and just keep going from there.
Roll smooth with a bang. 30 hertz straight up.
Now, as y'all see, the crimps is giving. So I'm just gonna speed up for you guys once I get to the bottom, just so the video can be a little short. But if you like how these turning out, make sure you comment, okay? Now, if you got this far in the video, I appreciate you, okay? Because I know a lot of people in the comments gonna be asking, well, where did you get the crimps from? Where did you buy it from? If you got through the video, then, sweetheart, you would see and you would hear me say it. So stay tuned.
Roll smooth with a bang. 30 hertz straight up.
So due to the fact that my crimps are like a medium size, I do not have to do small sections. If you do small sections, you will be doing this style forever. So you want to do like a medium size and up. And as you guys see, I'm just taking my scissors, kind of cutting those little split ends out the way. That's optional, but that's just something I have to do. So just keep watching almost to the end, you guys. Now, if you got to the end of the video, you're a real one. So now I'm about to tell you where I got my crimps from. I'm from Atlanta, so I got these from Ulta, and they was only like $45. And I think the brand is called Beehead. But if you go to Ulta, just as you see, you know how they look, so just look for those. And I think they sell out pretty quickly because it was only 2 left. So make sure if you see them that you go ahead and grab them and keep a hold to them, y'all. And I thank you guys so much for staying so patient throughout this video. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and comment if you really like this look or what do you want to see more, because I'm about to start giving y'all content after content after content. But make sure you follow my Instagram, and if you're in Atlanta, Georgia, make sure that you're booking your appointment. All right, thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video. Mwah.
Roll smooth with a bang. 30 hertz straight up. Roll smooth with a bang. 30 hertz straight up. Roll smooth with a bang. 30 hertz.